We're at the Hoover Dam. It is so hot in Vegas. I'm just showing some views. I'm afraid of heights, so I will not be going across the big tall bridge. You can see the Hoover Dam is real pretty, and there's a lot to see. Alright, I'm just taking you on a little aerial tour. Alright, so it's a lot to see. That's the Hoover Spillway House, and as I go farther down, you can see the mountains. It's real hot in Nevada today, so we probably won't be out here that long, just for a short amount of time. The scenery is amazing. It's very pretty. There are different levels that you can actually go on to take photos. So you can see that. Alright, that's the Hoover Dam. They haven't opened up the tours yet. The visitor center just opened today due to COVID.